back. Dusty Mac's Garage. I'm Dusty Mac. Right now, we're smack in the middle of building my wife's Datsun 240Z. Everybody who's joining, I got it roasted a lot for saying it as Datsun, and it's Datsun. So, my apologies. If I had $1 for every time somebody told me that I butchered the name, we could buy every part we need for this brand spanking new motor. We could go all out, but I ain't got $1. But I have been fussed at a lot for that. So back to work on the Datsun 240Z. I'm blown away, man. Blown away. My goal was to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2022. Here we are, like a week and a half into January, and we got like 2,652 subscribers. Not sure how many we'll have by the time this video comes out. We've had a huge number of new viewers, new commenters, new subscribers to the channel. We've had great success from TikTok. One of the shorts on there telling the story about the Datsun is at almost 1 million views. That same video on Instagram approaching 500,000. I'm blown away by the support. But when those viewers came over, they've literally went back from part 1 and binge watched all the way to now. So it's like we got to keep the ball rolling. We got to keep doing work. I'm stoked. For all of you who's went back from video 1 all the way to now, binge watched it, I'm blown away. I don't think a channel grows without engagement from the viewers. You guys have done nothing but that. The comments are growing on each video. The likes are growing on each video. I'm blown away. Phone's been blowing off the hook with DMs and private messages. And this is completely off topic, but me and my wife and kids last night were talking about breakfast foods, and somehow we got on the discussion of which is better, pancakes or waffles. Now look, guys, I need you with your boy, okay? I need you to back me, okay? Because my wife, my son, and my daughter all believe that waffles are better than pancakes. So you're telling me they act, no. A chocolate chip pancake? That tops all, man. Chocolate chip pancakes? There's no way. There is no way. I hope you guys got your boys back. Be honest, if I lose by a landslide, I still ain't changing. I'm standing on the fact that pancakes crush waffles. But throw it down in the comments. Waffles or pancakes? Personally, it's not even a question, man. Pancakes all day. Let's go. Enough rambling. But right now, we got to get back to work on this thing. Little spot right there that's missing, so we're gonna make a piece that basically covers that, comes right up this side and covers that triangle there, and it'll be one piece. In addition to patching the spot that I just showed you guys, I also want to start getting the inside of the driver's side floor pan welded up. As you know, so far it's just been tack welded, so we'll get that cracking. Check out the progress we're making on the inside. Right now there is flap disc material, seam sealer material, and paint. We'll get all that vacuumed up real fast and then we'll show you back what we got. We got that patched, nice and smooth. I'll go back and resand that one section right there. And then we welded in that floor seam. We welded in this floor seam. We welded in this floor seam. So this floor seam looked identical to that one. Welded in, went back, smoothed it down. Just in this one section of the car, let's talk about what's been done so far. Floor pans, frame rails, steel plate, square tubing, capped with 1/8 inch steel plate. Trans tunnel patch. Patched this section, we patched that section, we patched the secret compartment tray, we patched here, we've patched the outer rocker panel there. We did this complete section right here. Got a whole video on it. We patched the outer dog leg. We've patched a section here. That's just on this one friggin' side. And I always do this to myself. I always, somehow in my brain, I'll think I'm gonna get more accomplished than what I actually do, and then I forget how long it takes when you're trying to do the work, move the cameras around, film, stop, change batteries, swap cameras for whatever shot I'm doing. Try to use the GoPro if I'm welding near it, or if I'm shooting sparks, because you know it's got a cover and it's not as expensive as my other camera being there. Nikon D750. Then I also got a Sony A6000 that I use sometimes. So anyways, we're still chugging along. The next video on this thing, my fab skills are gonna be put to the test because I'm all up in the corner right here. Underneath this inner side, we got this to fix. We got this little section to fix. And what's underneath is in a tight crammed spot. This little body saw right here. That's what I bought this thing for, was because in this section right here, it is some tight spots, and that's what I'm gonna need this and a few other little tools. But if you're interested in my shop truck, I'm building a 66 F100 shop truck in memory of my dad. We're body swapping the cab, the bed, the front clip onto a Crown Vic chassis. Feel free to go check out that. That's a playlist also. Nonetheless, that wraps up today's video, guys. I'm filthy. I want to get inside, get a shower, then try to get this stuff edited. I'm so thankful to all the new subscribers, all the viewers. We'll see you next weekend for the next video. Dusty Mac, signing out.